Welcome back to my channel. It's wonderful to have you with us as we embark on another journey of learning and discovery. Today's episode is one you don't want to miss. We are diving deep into a topic that many of us may not realize the importance of: spices. Spices, these tiny warriors in our kitchen, are not only enhancing our food's flavor, but also playing a silent role in our overall health. Today we're focusing on spices that may help in moderating your blood pressure levels. We all know how crucial maintaining a healthy blood pressure is, and what if I told you that certain spices can aid in just that? Intriguing, isn't it? So, whether you're someone who's actively trying to keep their blood pressure in check, or someone just looking for wellness tips, this episode is for you. Stick around as we unveil these 10 potent spices, diving into each's unique properties, benefits, and the scientific research that supports their use in promoting good health. We'll also be sharing tips on how to incorporate these spices into your daily meals effectively. So, tighten your seatbelts and gear up for an enlightening journey as we uncover 10 powerful options to support your health. Garlic, a common household ingredient, contains compounds that are believed to be of significant benefit to our system. These compounds, intricate and vital, have a role that is much more than just adding flavor to our meals. They are organic compounds with bioactive properties that are linked to influencing various bodily functions. Amongst the myriad of potential health benefits they offer, there is a singularly intriguing effect that stands out. These unique compounds may help relax our blood vessels, a mechanism not unlike a soothing massage for our circulatory system. This relaxation process can result in the improved efficiency of blood flow throughout our body. It's a fascinating process, almost as if our arteries and veins are breathing a sigh of relief. This, in turn, brings us to one of the most remarkable possible outcomes of this process. It could lead to potential reductions in blood pressure, creating a healthier balance within our cardiovascular system. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a wonder ingredient that has been a staple in natural medicine for centuries. The history of this potent compound dates back thousands of years, with its use prevalent in traditional Asian medicine. An integral part of the golden spice, turmeric, it's famed for its health-enhancing qualities. This yellow pigment of turmeric has been long praised for its wide-ranging health benefits. Its antioxidant attributes help to combat harmful radicals in the body, playing a crucial role in maintaining healthy cells. Meanwhile, its anti-inflammatory properties work to keep inflammation in check, thereby supporting overall health. One of the most significant benefits is its potential to normalize blood pressure levels. Yes, you heard it right. Studies show that consistent intake of curcumin can help to promote heart health by managing blood pressure. This makes curcumin an ally for those struggling with high blood pressure and heart-related issues. Thus, curcumin, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, may help lower blood pressure levels. Cinnamon, a well-loved spice familiar to many for its warm, sweet aroma and delightful flavor, has been the subject of several scientific studies and research. The prime focus is its potential ability to affect human health positively. The spice, derived from the inner bark of cinnamomum trees, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurvedic and Chinese practices. Its wide array of health benefits is impressive, but one particular area where it has shown significant promise is in the regulation of blood pressure. Scientific studies suggest that cinnamon has the potential to effectually improve blood pressure control. This is achieved by enhancing two significant biological processes. The first one is the stimulation of nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a gas that plays a fundamental role in your body's blood flow. It relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. The second process is promoting vasodilation, which further helps to lower blood pressure by widening the blood vessels. This dual-action effect of cinnamon could be a natural, cost-effective approach to managing blood pressure. Ginger, a familiar spice used worldwide, contains an array of bioactive compounds. These compounds, particularly one known as gingerol, are the powerhouses behind ginger's many health benefits. Research has tirelessly delved into these properties, examining their effects on the human body. Among the noteworthy benefits they offer is their potential to cause vasodilation. Vasodilation refers to the widening of blood vessels, which can significantly ease blood flow. This effect, induced by the compounds in ginger, is deemed to be incredibly beneficial for those with high blood pressure. It's been shown that these effects could help to lower blood pressure. Cardamom, a spice native to southern Asia, has traditionally been used in herbal medicine, appreciated for centuries for its potential health benefits. The ancient Egyptians chewed cardamom seeds as a tooth cleaner. The Greeks and Romans used it as a perfume. Vikings came upon cardamom about 1,000 years ago in Constantinople and introduced it into Scandinavia, where it remains popular to this day. The spice has a rich history as a medicinal plant and is listed as one of the world's oldest known medicines in Ayurveda. The key health benefit it offers that has scientists intrigued is its potential benefit for the cardiovascular system. Many studies have been conducted to understand this better. One of the most significant findings observed is cardamom's ability to help regulate blood pressure. Basil, a common culinary herb, contains unique compounds that have been studied and shown to have potential health benefits. These compounds are thought to have a significant impact on our bodily functions, specifically on our cardiovascular system. They are believed to possess the ability to relax our blood vessels, a key factor in maintaining a healthy circulatory system. This process of relaxation facilitates better blood flow throughout the body. Improved circulation is incredibly important because it ensures that all our organs get the necessary nutrients and oxygen they need to function optimally. With improved circulation, our bodily processes become more efficient, and this efficiency could ultimately contribute to lower blood pressure levels. By incorporating basil into our diet, we're not just enhancing our dishes, but potentially enhancing our health as well. Cayenne pepper, a fiery spice known for its bright red color, carries within it the compound capsaicin. Deep within the membranes of the pepper, capsaicin exists, a potent chemical that carries several health benefits. Not only does it add that memorable spice and heat to our food, but it also plays a vital role in our body's health. One of the most significant benefits that capsaicin provides may come as a surprise to many. This powerful element within cayenne pepper may actually help to widen the blood vessels within our bodies. By widening these vessels, it significantly improves the flow of blood. This enhanced blood flow is particularly beneficial as it can reduce the pressure exerted on the walls of the blood vessels, promoting better overall cardiovascular health. Hence, regularly including cayenne pepper in our diets can potentially lead to lower blood pressure. Hibiscus tea, a vibrant floral beverage, has been studied for its potential anti-hypertensive effects, capturing the interest of health enthusiasts and researchers alike. For years, this deeply colored aromatic drink has been a staple in numerous cultures, cherished for its potential health benefits. Numerous studies have delved into the specific properties of hibiscus tea, revealing its rich antioxidant content and potential to aid in overall wellness. However, it's the potential anti-hypertensive effects that truly set it apart. Multiple research studies suggest it may contribute to cardiovascular health. Particularly, some research is indicating that consumption of hibiscus tea helps lower blood pressure levels, offering a natural alternative approach to maintaining optimal cardiovascular health. Saffron, a precious and exquisite spice, contains compounds that are extremely beneficial to human health. It's not just a simple kitchen ingredient, it's far more than that. Its value extends beyond the culinary world, reaching into the realm of health and wellness. Primarily, these precious compounds found in saffron play a significant role in our cardiovascular health. They possess the potential to relax our blood vessels. This is a vital process as it promotes smooth blood flow throughout our bodies. Additionally, they also improve endothelial function, a crucial aspect in maintaining a healthy heart and circulatory system. This dual action of saffron compounds could contribute significantly to lower blood pressure. Embracing saffron could potentially result in a healthier, more vibrant life, especially for those struggling with blood pressure issues. Rosemary has been studied for its potential cardiovascular benefits, including its ability to help regulate blood pressure levels. Thanks for joining us as we explored these amazing spices and their potential benefits for blood pressure. Remember to combine them with a healthy lifestyle and consult your healthcare provider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Take care. Click the link below for my #1 recommended ebook on heart health remedies.